Central Village. Here we come. Or better yet, here we are. Alright, I'm So yes, I am in Little Lane, Central Village. And I understand it's pretty little things from Little Lane. Yeah. So wait on this nice lady. Watch her I did with laugh. And she little too, you know. Little. Have a package.
Thank you.
So why you never tell me, say, it's literal, the the place name Little Lane, and it's actually literal. Because I can't pass right here, so now.
I'm sorry.
Little things come from Little Lane. Oh, okay.
Obviously.
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 Obviously. Alright. Well, you want to tell me about my service because you have me a drive come so far. You must have nice things to tell me.
So, why? I'm not telling a lie. I'm not efficient.
Okay, you like that?
Timing. Yeah.
Okay.
I like my timing.
You like your timing?
Yeah. I'm trap my things in and then come just as expected.
Just as expected. She gave me a real smile a while ago, you know. Yeah, that's, I blush. Why you make me blush too, you know? Okay.
No wrong, we
are
human done.
We're human, okay. So tell me something. Central Village, Little Lane. From time to time I hear a whole heap of things are going. What going on right now?
Can't tell me, can't get an update. I live a little young in the year.
So which part you there? You know there mentally?
Mentally.
Oh, okay. I mean nobody not got trouble me then. Come in and walk with a fighting spirit today. No? Oh, so only people who do things them get trouble.
Listen to me now, you're not drawing me out now. You're not drawing me out.
Don't draw you out.
No.
Nah, talk the things then. Don't talk it. Don't talk it.
I'm sorry, I'm going to live here, but no.
Alright, go on with your little self. You know your little lady.
Alright.
Have a little good evening.
Sorry, you're not done with me yet?
No, he's not done with you yet. Go take one close up her because she said, show over here mumble something. Look on the smile. A closer. Yeah. Anyway, now get no more trouble on this one. Here we are, Little Lane, doing the delivery. That's how it is on the delivery trail on a Sunday. You're welcome. Have a good one. All right, good.